Hello students, in this lecture of network analysis, I am going to talk about concept of super node and super mesh. Already in earlier presentations I had discussed the KCL numericals or theory on KCL and KVL, but here we will talk about super node and super mesh. And after studying this presentation, you will be able to understand the concept of super mesh and super node. Okay, so see here, this is the slide super mesh. What is a super mesh? You can say this diagram. In this diagram, how many loops are there? Two loops are there. This is one loop A, B, E, F, A, and another loop B, C, D, E, B. Right? These are the two loops, and these two loops are shared by current source. Right? अगर दो लूप के बीच में करंट सोर्स आ जाए, if the two loops are shared by current source, this loop and this loop are shared by current source, so this is not a ordinary problem, it is a problem of super mesh. This is the problem of super mesh. So it is not a loop 1 or mesh 1 and mesh 2, it is a super mesh. What is a super mesh? A, B, C, D, E, F, A. This is a super mesh. Clear? So is it clear? Concept of super mesh is clear. अगर दो loop, two loops, this is one loop and this is another loop and shared by the current source. दो loop के बीच में current source आ गया. So this is forming a super mesh. So super mesh क्या है? A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Right? This is a super mesh. Now, how to solve it? For solving such problem, we have to write one KVL for super mesh, KVL for super mesh A, B, C, D, E, F, A, and one KCL for super mesh. We can't write the KVL, two KVLs. Clear? So we have to write one KVL and one KCL for super mesh, right? Okay. So how to do it? Suppose this is the problem I have given and I have to solve the problem by KVL, that is the, you can say these two loop 1 and loop 2 are shared by current source. So पहले हम क्या करेंगे, loop 1 के लिए current लेंगे I1 clockwise and I2 clockwise, right? Then KCL at super mesh, KCL at super mesh. So KCL is what? I2 or 1 ampere. So I2 equal to what? 1 है ना, this suppose this is not there, so I2 equal to 1, right? But I1 is downward here, so I2 minus I1 equal to 1. So generally जो KCL कहाँ लिखते थे हम, नोड के ऊपर, but here we will write the KCL for the branch. याद रखना, for this branch I2 is going upward, I1 is going downward, so I2 minus I1 equal to 1. Because इसका डायरेक्शन और इसका डायरेक्शन सेम है, so I2 minus I1 equal to 1. That is the equation 1. That is the KCL. So KVL for super mesh. Super mesh कौन सा? A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Okay. So R1 में क्या फ्लो हो रहा है? I1. R1 I1 प्लस R2 में प्लस R3 में I2. क्लियर ना? इन R1 I1 is flowing प्लस R2 R3 में I2 इक्वल टू माइनस से प्लस, इट इज प्लस V. इक्वेशन नंबर 2. So this is not a super mesh. Super mesh A, B, C, D, E, F, A. So in R1 I1 is flowing, in R2 or R3 में I2 is flowing, right? Equal to minus से plus V. So this is the KVL for super mesh. In this way you can write one KCL for super mesh, one KVL for super mesh, right? So this is the super mesh problem. I'm rubbing it. Super node. What is a super node? You can say here these are the two nodes. Node number 2 node number 3. We have 3 nodes, node number 1, node number 2, node number 3. So you can say here these 2 nodes, node number 2 and 3, connected through a voltage source. If the 2 nodes connected through a voltage source, clear? So these 2 nodes are forming a super node. These 2 nodes are forming a super node, right? If the 2 nodes are connected through voltage source, it is called a super node. So this is super node, this is one node, actually it is a super node, right? Okay, and how to solve it? So we will write one KVL for super node and one KCL for super node. What is a KVL for super node? Generally we will write the KVL for loop, but here we will write the KVL for node. So KVL for super node क्या होगा? V3 ये नोड है, प्लस यहाँ से यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, राइज, दिस इज माइनस, दिस इज प्लस, सो यहाँ से यहाँ राइज, सो V3 प्लस Vx इक्वल टू व्हाट? V2. So V2 equal to what? V3 plus Vx equal to V2. That is the KVL for super node. Equation number 1. Now KCL for super node. KCL क्या है? Remark the current I1, I2, I3, I4, right? So at these 2 nodes are not the 2 nodes, it is one node. So incoming current I1, clear, plus I2 is also incoming current, equal to I3 is outgoing, plus I4 is also outgoing. So this is the KCL at super node. एक super node मतलब 2 नोड नहीं, एक ही नोड है. So incoming I1 है, I2 भी incoming है at this node, that is one node, and I3, I4 are the outgoing. So this is the super node, KCL for super node. याद रखना, out of these 2 nodes, no one should be the reference node. अगर यहाँ एक voltage source होता इधर, so this is a reference node, so it is not a super node. Whatever the nodes we have, out of these 2 nodes, no one should be the reference node. Please याद रखना, it should not be the reference node. Okay, so this is the way of solving the problem by super node concept. Now I am going to solve some numerical based on the super node and super mesh. Okay, so just here I am going to take the numerical. Find the current through 2 ohm resistance by KVL. This is the KVL. Find the current through 2 ohm resistance using KVL. Now you can say, if you are going to solve the problem by KVL, so first of all you have to find the number of loops. This is loop number 1. I am taking current I1 clockwise. This is the loop number 2. I am taking current I2 clockwise. This is the loop number 3. I am taking current I3 clockwise. So how many loops are there? 3 loops. But out of these 3 loops, here D is not a junction, E is not a junction, it is a corner. Just I am going to show here. So out of these 3 loops, right, you can say loop number 2 and loop number 3, this is I2 and this is loop number 3, are shared by current source. So these 2 loops are forming a super node, loop number 2. So यहाँ पर you can write loop number 2 and 3 are forming super mesh. Super mesh. Why it is forming a super mesh? Because these 2 loops, loop 2 and 3, are shared by current source. So it is forming a super mesh. So what we will do, we will write KCL for super mesh. KCL means कहाँ लिखते हैं? ब्रांच के लिए. So I3 minus I3 और 2 is same direction. So I3 minus I2 इक्वल टू 2. देखो I3 और 2 का डायरेक्शन सेम डायरेक्शन में है, So but I1 here downward direction में है, so I3 minus I2 equal to 2, right? So I am getting the equation 0 minus I2 plus I3 equal to 2. Equation number 1 I am getting. Then we will write the KVL for super mesh. KVL for super mesh. What is the KVL for super mesh? This is the super mesh. कौन सा सुपर मैश है? B C D E F G B. This is the super mesh. B C D E F G B. So current I2 कहाँ फ्लो हो रहा है in this loop? 3 plus 4 में I2 फ्लो हो रहा है 7 I2. At the same time 3 में I1 भी है, because in this loop 3 is a common branch between 2 and 1, so minus 3i1 minus 3i1 plus 7i2 प्लस इसमें कितना है 5, इस लूप में 5 में क्या है i3 प्लस 5. सुपर मैश ये है B C D E F B C B G G B. दिस लूप इज देयर. सो इसमें 5 में i3 भी है इक्वल टू. इज देयर एनी सोर्स हियर? नो. इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज लूप नंबर 2. So we will write one KVL and one KCL for super. So अलावा कोई मैश है? Yes, loop 1. So it is a ordinary mesh. We will write the KVL for. Remaining equation will be the KVL for loop 1. Remaining equation will be the KVL. So I1 कहाँ फ्लो हो रहा है? 2 plus 3 5i1 minus 5i1. Clear? इसमें 3 ohm is a common branch. It is 1 and 2. I1 and I2 both is flowing, but it is opposite direction. Minus 3 I2 minus, यहाँ कहीं I3 है क्या? नहीं है. I3 तो यहाँ है minus 0 I3 equal to this direction minus से plus voltage source equal to voltage source कितना है? Plus 20. So we have 3 equations. Okay, you can write. You can write the you can use the calculator. With the help of calculator you can get the result. So I am going to use the calculator. Just here press mod equation 1. Unknown कितने? 3. So press equal to 3. You will get A1 is what? A1 equal to what? 0. 0. Press equal. B1 is minus 1. B1 equal to minus 1. If you press equal, you will get C1 equal to plus 1. C1 equal to plus 1. If you press equal, D1 equal to 2. Like that. Equal to minus 3 equal to 7 equal to 5 equal to 0 equal to 5 equal to minus 3 equal to 0 equal to 20. If you press equal x I1 I am getting 4.11. I1 I am getting 4.11 ampere. I2 I am getting 0.196 ampere. I3 I am getting 2.196 ampere. So I am getting I1, I2, I3. Now I have given find the current through 2 ohm. What is the current through 2 ohm? That this is the 2 ohm. That is मतलब I1. So that is the answer. So current through 2 ohm is I1, and I1 equal to what? 4.11 ampere. That is the answer. Okay, so this is very simple concept. Just you have to check whether it is forming a super node or super mesh. Examiner will not ask find the current through 2 ohm by super mesh concept. He will say find the current through 2 ohm by KVL. अब आपको देखना है loop 2 and 3 are shared by current source. It is forming a super mesh. अगर ये प्रॉब्लम दिया होता, suppose find the current through 2 ohm by KCL, KCL. सो KCL से करना है तो ये सुपर मैश का प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ, सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है KCL का, सिंपल. लेकिन अगर KVL से दिया है तो इट इज ए प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सुपर मैश. इज इट क्लियर? क्यों? अगर KCL से दिया होता तो यू हैव टू राइट KCL एट नोड 1, B एंड C. सो ये इनकमिंग करंट कहलाता है, कोई सुपर मैश की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. लेकिन अगर KVL से दिया है तो इट इज ए प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सुपर मैश. ओके, आई एम रबिंग इट. Okay, next problem I am going to talk. Example number 2. Find the current through 7 ohm by KCL. अभी in this problem, if you are going to solve the problem by KCL, so you first KCL से दिया है तो first find the number of nodes. Node number 1, assign the voltage V1. Node number 2, assign the voltage V2. Node number 3, assign the voltage V3, and this is the reference node. So how many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But out of 4, 1 is connected to ground. So we have active nodes are 3, V1, V2, V3. Node number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Second step is what? Remark the current through each and every branch. This is I1, I am taking. This is I2. यहाँ कोई जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज रेजिस्टेंस इज नॉट देयर. I3, I4, I5, I6. Okay, so remark the currents I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6. Everywhere we will remark. Okay. Now see here, this node 1 and node 2 connected through voltage source. Is it clear? Node number 1 and 2 connected through voltage source. It is forming a super node. We know the concept. If 2, आप बोलेंगे सर ये node है 1 and this is 4. Node number 4 connected through voltage source. But ये कौन सा reference node है? So out of these two nodes, no one should be the reference node. So it is forming a super node concept. It is forming a super node. How to solve the problem? Clear? So we will write 1 KVL for super node and 1 KCL. Super node, super mesh में 1 KVL और 1 KCL लिखते हैं. KVL for super node. यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना है? V1. और यहाँ से यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Rise. So V1 plus 5 equal to V2. V1 plus 5 equal to V2. भाई आप घर से 10 रुपए लेके चले और किसी ने आपकी पुरानी उधारी 2 रुपए आपको वापस कर दी तो आपकी जेब में कितने आ जाएंगे? इधर 12 रुपए है ना. 10 पहले से थे, 2 आपको रुपए मिल गए तो 12 रुपीज हो जाएंगे ना. तो दैट इज अ वे. आर यू गेटिंग इट? 1000 आपके पास पहले से थे, 100 रुपीज किसी ने आपको दिए पुराना लिया हुआ तो आपके पास कितने हो जाएंगे? 1000 प्लस 100 रुपीज, दैट इज 1100 रुपीज, लाइक दैट. सो V1 यहाँ से यहाँ राइज हो रहा है तो V1 प्लस 5 इक्वल टू V2. दैट इज द KVL फॉर सुपर नोड. वी विल राइट KVL फॉर नोड्स. ओके, सो वी कैन से V1 माइनस V2, दो ही नोड, V माइनस 0 V3 इक्वल टू माइनस 5. V1 माइनस V2 यहाँ जाएगा तो ये 5 यहाँ जाएगा तो माइनस. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इसको ही मॉडिफाई करके V1 V2 V3 के फॉर्म में लिखा है. ओके, नाउ KCL फॉर सुपर नोड, KVL फॉर सुपर नोड, KCL फॉर सुपर नोड. KCL कौन सा है? ये KCL है कि सुपर नोड ये है कि ये पूरा का पूरा KCL है ये दिस. ओके, तो इनकमिंग करंट क्या है? I1. I2 क्या है? आउटगोइंग. ये I3 आउटगोइंग, ये I4 आउटगोइंग. आर यू गेटिंग इट? ये केस वी विल नॉट राइट KCL हियर. एट दिस नोड, एट ए नोड और ए नोड एक ही है ना, सुपर नोड है, तो यहाँ पर लिख रहा है, तो यहाँ पर इनकमिंग, यहाँ आउटगोइंग, दिस आउटगोइंग, दिस आउटगोइंग। ओके, सो व्हाट इज द इनकमिंग करंट? यहाँ का पोटेंशियल क्या है? 10 माइनस V1 अपॉन 6, I2 कहाँ है? V1 बाई 5, I3 V2 बाई 4, V2 बाई 4, I4 V2 माइनस V3 अपॉन 3, V2 minus V3 upon 3. Okay, so I am taking a common LCM. कितना ले लें? 60 चलेगा? 30 नहीं, 60. It should be divisible by all. 60 upon 6 क्या होगा? 10 into 10 100 minus 10 V1 equal to 60 upon 5 12 into V1 12 V1 प्लस 60 बाई 4 15 आएगा, 15 इंटू V2 15 V2 प्लस 60 बाई 3 20 आएगा, 20 V2 माइनस 20 V3। सो LCM लेने के बाद इसका काम खत्म। क्या आएगा? ये 10 उधर जाएगा तो प्लस 10 V1 प्लस 10 प्लस 22 हो जाएगा। आई एम जस्ट रबिंग इट, सॉरी। ये 10 उधर जाएगा तो प्लस 10 प्लस 12 22 V1 प्लस 15 प्लस 20 35 V2 माइनस 20 V3। ओके, इक्वल टू यहाँ क्या बचेगा? 100, दिस इज 100, सो 22, सो दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2। Clear? Third equation, KCL at node 3. Remaining सुपर नोड पे क्या लिखेंगे? 1 KVL and 1 KCL। एक नोड ये भी बचा कि, सो यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? KCL, because we have to solve the problem by KCL. So KCL at node 3. What is the KCL at node 3? Incoming current equal to outgoing current. I4 is incoming, I5 और I6 outgoing, I5 plus I6. These are the two. I4 equal to I5 plus I6. I4 कितना है? V2 minus V3 upon 3 equal to I5 V3 by 7 plus यहाँ का क्या होगा? यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना है? 5. So V3 minus 5 upon 2. LCM 42. 21 into 2, 42. Okay, 42 by 3. 14. 42 by 3. 14 into V2. 14 V2 minus 14 V3 equal to 42 by 7. 6 V3 plus 42 by 2, 21 V3, 21 V3 minus 21 into 5, 105, 21 into 5, 105. So I am getting the equation V1 term नहीं है तो 0 V1, 14 V2 plus 14 V2 minus 14 V3 plus 6 और ये सब वहां जाएगा तो 14 और 6 20 और 21 41 minus 41 V3, राइट ना? माइनस 14 और माइनस 6 तो माइनस 20 हो जाएगा एंड माइनस 21 माइनस 41 V3 इक्वल टू क्या बच रहा है इधर? इक्वल टू माइनस 105. Okay, so I am getting these three equations. Equation number 1 this, 2 this and 3 this. We have three unknowns V1, V2, V3, right? So use the calculator, you will get answer. So just I am going to use the calculator. Please अभी मैं I am assuming you know how to use the calculator to solve the equation. So I'm just doing it, and you can solve the problem by simultaneous method. You can solve the problems by Cramer's rules. Yeah, you can use the calculator. Okay, so it is better to use the calculator. You will get the answer earlier. So I'm going to use the calculator. Just A1 is 1 equal P1 So I have used the calculator. I got V1 equal to 0.2066 volt. V2 I got it 5.2 volt. V3 I got it 4.33 volt. So I got these values, right? Now so I got V1, V2, V3. Okay. Now I have to find the current through 7 ohm resistance. Current through 7 ohm कहाँ है? Current through 7 ohm, yes, this current, right? So what is the current through 7 ohm? I5. So current through 7 ohm, that is I5. क्या होगा I5 equal to V3 minus 0 upon 7. V3 by 7. V3 कितना है? 4.33 upon 7. So I'm getting 4.33 divided by 7. I'm getting answer, sorry, 4.33 divided by 7. I'm getting answer 0.618. 0.618 ampere. That is the answer. Okay, so this is very simple concept. You can use it, you will get the answer, right? Okay, so I'm stopping it here. Now in one more lecture I am going to talk few more numericals. That is a lecture number, I think, 11. In lecture number 11 I will solve few more questions based on the supernode and supermesh, and these problems will be based on what? Will have a dependent source. Okay, so thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.